everyone, Nichole Bair here, and today I'm finally getting around to making my protein video. And we're going to do this video similar to the first one I made where it's just me unedited with my notes here. Let me know which style of video you like best. So I have these two where it's just kind of freestyling, just chatting with you, let me know what you want to know. And then there's the past couple of videos I made where it was more like the common YouTube where it's cut and edited, and some people think that it's a little bit more entertaining because I can add some humor in there, but you let me know what you want so that I can give you what you request. Maybe in the future I'll kind of switch it up to do different kinds depending on the response. So protein. In my last video about healthy fats, I got a little bit more into the science, and I want to make sure that I don't lose people with that. So I'm going to go back to the basics again for protein. Make sure it's just a simple video letting you know how to get healthy protein in your diet, what is good for you when it comes to protein. So the smallest unit of a protein is called an amino acid. And there's a range of different kinds of amino acids that our body needs. So it's important for us to get a variety of amino acids. There's some sources that are better than others considering the quality or the quantity of amino acids they have. So the amino acids they join together to form peptide chains, and that's like the basic structure of a protein. But I'm not gonna, it's much more complicated than that, but I'm not gonna get into detail, right? I don't wanna lose you, like I was saying. So amino acids, they're used for energy. Proteins are the building blocks of muscle. Amino acids can also be used to help synthesize hormones and digestive enzymes. There's so many functions. So protein is a huge important source from our diet. And we really need to be getting as many amino acids as we can from our protein sources. So it is easier for people who eat meat to get a range of amino acids because most meats have all the amino acids within them. Like chicken, turkey, wild-caught salmon, tilapia, beef. Beef also has the iron, ladies, we need during that time of the month. So that's why it's a lot easier for meat eaters to get their protein, all their amino acids in. But say if you're a vegetarian, the quinoa is a really good source because it has all the protein. I think it's the only other source that's not a meat that has all the amino acids. So Quinoa, quinoa, it's an awesome source of protein. It also has minerals in it. So definitely great for meat eaters as well. It's considered a seed actually, I believe, but it's just like rice and it tastes amazing. So you'll love it. Try it out. So there are 12 amino acids that our body makes. And so those are considered non-essential, but there's 8 that we need to get from our diet. Now, if there are some amino acids that we need and we don't get enough from our diet, there is a pool in our body called the amino acid pool that we can get it from as well. So that's kind of neat how our body works to take care of itself. But in closing, it's just really important for you to get a variety of protein sources. There is protein in a lot of things that we eat, the vegetables, the peanuts, there is a lot of protein. There is some protein in a lot of things, but it's important to get that range of different kinds of amino acids in our body. So if you're not getting a good source of like the full range of amino acids, so if you're not a meat eater, then you're probably going to need to supplement. Even if you are a meat eater, but you don't add meat to every meal, you're probably going to need to supplement. So definitely check out the different kinds of protein powders, see which ones you like, depending on if you're an athlete or if you're a little bit more sedentary. There's different types of proteins. You have whey that breaks down faster, the whey isolate that breaks down the fastest. So that would be great like before and after a workout. There's also like the casein protein that takes longer to break down. So it's great for a meal replacement. It will keep you full for longer or right before you go to bed at night. So definitely check the different kinds of proteins out. You have other sources of protein supplements if you're a vegetarian, like pea protein or soy. And just find which one resonates with you and for your body type and in your activity type. And make sure you're getting the wide range of whole food proteins, so minimally processed, and you'll be good to go. If you are looking for information on different kinds of proteins on my website, you can click on the nutrition tips and it'll give you a good list of proteins that you can add to your diet. My website is NicholeBair.com. And if you go to the freebies tab, there's some great free downloads you can get on how to portion, how to stay fit and healthy if you're super busy, all kinds of great stuff. So check that out, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye-bye.